Special thanks to this company, Hearprotek, for sending us their purple music earplugs. It's their logo on the bottom, their logo on the top, info here, more info of why you should wear earbuds and information about decibels, and just stickers there. So you get 2 pair of earplugs in this case. Let's see what all we have here. All right, that's it for the box. And then we got a little bit of tips from Hearprotek. We got a nice user's guide telling you all about everything, neck cords, etc. How to install the neck cord and all of that. And so this here is the actual neck cord. It'll connect onto these and go around your neck so you wouldn't lose them. This is just a clip to hold on this case, which this case is matching purple and made to hold the earbuds. Then you've got 1 pair of earplugs here. Sorry, I keep calling them earbuds. They just look like earbuds. These are earplugs. And then we've got another one right here. So you can see there's 3 different little layers, and you know, that would really get in there and block out some sound for a concert. And looks like little tabs, easy to pull out with. But yeah, that's essentially what you would have with these earplugs. Very, very nice. So that should do it for these music earplugs unboxing. Again, thanks to Hearprotek for sending these to us to unbox and show you. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.